food has a language. What I want to do is make you understand pasta on a deeper level. What flavor do you really want in your spaghetti? It's really up to you. Don't take anything as a rule. I want to teach you the way to take classic Italian cuisine recipes and bring them into the future. In this video, you will be able to gain even more knowledge, but more importantly, be more confident to become a cook that you want to be. Welcome to AZ class.